Let's solve one previous question of mathematical logic. This question was asked in GATE CS 2014 set 3 question number 53. The correct formula for this sentence, not all rainy days are cold is, and 4 options are given. Let me first write formula for all rainy days are cold. We can write as for all D, rainy D implies cold of D. So for all day, if it is rainy, then it is cold. Now here it's written, not all rainy days are cold, so we'll add a negation. Here in option, two options are in implication format, option B and option C. Now option B, for all D, negation of rainy D implies cold D. This is not the same, so option B is not the answer. Now option C, there exists a D, negation of rain D implies cold D. This is also not the same, so option C is not the answer. Now option A and option D are in AND format. So first we need to convert this into AND, then we can compare with this. We know P implies Q, that we can write as negation P or Q. So this rainy day implies cold day, that we can write as negation of rainy day or cold day. Now we can take this negation symbol inside. When we will take this negation symbol inside, this universal quantifier will change to existential quantifier. So it will be there exists D, the negation of negation rainy D or cold D. Next we will apply De Morgan law. So negation of negation, it will be positive, and this or will be and negation of cold D. We know negation of P or Q according to De Morgan law is negation of P and negation of Q. So negation of negation rainy day, it will be rainy day and negation of cold D. If we'll write in statement, it is some rainy days are not cold, and the exactly present in option D, so answer will be option D. Let's write each option in sentence. Option A, for all D, rainy day and negation of cold day. It will be all rainy days are not cold. So the day which are rainy are not cold. It's not same as this. Next option B, for all D, negation of rainy day implies cold day. So if it is not rainy day, then it is cold. We can say all day such that if it is not rainy, then it's cold. Next option C, there exists D, negation of rainy D implies cold D. So some day which are not rainy are cold. So we can say some days such that if it is not rainy, then it's cold. Next option D, there exists D, rainy D and not cold D. So some days which are rainy are not cold. Some rainy days are not cold. So here answer is option D. Not all rainy days are cold and some rainy days are not cold. Both are same. I already discussed predicate and quantifier. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.